Hello, this is Jennifer from 33 Ranch and Saddlery and Ranch Gal Designs, bringing you our weekly wrap-up. Okay, so maybe it's been a little longer than a week since we did one of these, but things been happening here on the ranch. What can I say? Start with, we are in the midst of a drought here. It has been in the high 90s every day for almost 2 weeks. Up until today, I should say. Today we got a little break in the weather. It was 86, I believe, at noon, and I hate to say it, that's cool. It feels cool today. We've had no rain here, right in this area here where we're at in central Minnesota, and our pastures are burning up fast. And our hay ground suffered a late season frost that was a killing frost. I have never seen the grass be killed here on the ranch in my 40-some years by a frost, but it did. It killed the actual grass and our hay ground. So that happened, and in less than a week we were at the over 90 temperatures, and it's been brutal here. But this is about the third year we've been in a drought here in central Minnesota, and I'm not sure what's going to happen in the future. So it's always interesting in ranching. So if you are a praying person, please say a little prayer for all the farmers and ranchers in central Minnesota, and hope that we make it through. But on to the leather news. I've been working really hard on the chaps that you guys have on order. And I'm going to put in some video here of the tooling that I've got done. Baby, which is this guy right here. And this is a bell skiver that I bought from the Leather Machine Company, also known as Cobra. Got it put together, got it working. Don't know a lot about it yet, but it works. But what it does, for people who aren't familiar, here's a piece of chap leather, and this one's easy to see because the, hold it in front of my face, that's good. The die is not struck through. If you're not familiar with leather, when it's not struck through, that means that the inside of the leather, if you look at the very edge, is what you normally see on leather, that it won't go all the way through. It's on the top side, and it's on the back side, which would be this piece here is the full thickness, but it doesn't go all the way through the depth of the leather. So you get a white center in your leather. But anyways, what this machine does is it thins down a piece of the leather on the edge. This is run through it twice. So what that means is that I can then put glue on here and fold this over and have a nicely seamed, or sew it and have a nicely seamed edge without the long amounts of time that it takes me to hand skive. Well, I guess that's about it for this week. We've got lots of work to get done this coming week, and I am going to leave you with a saddle that Doug finished up and shipped out last week to a wonderful customer in Utah. If you're watching this, Steve, we wish you all the best and hope you have many wonderful miles on this saddle.